I discovered I'm gay when I was 14, and to me it wasn't a big thing because I think the feelings and the way I grew up, they used to call me in a language, Kairetu Kanini, small girl. My grandma, my brothers, they used to call me, so I can't say something I saw from media or from white, because I remember the first sex I had with a man as a black man, and it's not like he forced me to do it. I used to go, okay, ni alikuanga mbocho ya shosho, that is. So but by then we were like friends. I used to go to his room at night, nothing happens, but one time he just touched me at night, because sometimes nilikuwa nakata kurudi kwa nyumba ya shosho na lala huko because he had TV, and it happened as in he just touched me and erected. So I think we masturbated. That's the first thing we did, and it was normal to me. So second day he was more gay than I. So cause alikuwa naogopa, I insisted we have sex, but he wanted me to bottomize him. I was the top by then, and I did it, and I didn't have any guilt with that. And then from there I went to high school. That's where now the gay thing get into me real, because it used to be a mixed school, but we couldn't see each other as in girls. I knew, okay, I'm gay somehow, but I was like, I hear school, these things happening. But the first thing I noticed, someone favored me, but I didn't know what he was up to. Wakaniingisha box, nikapata note, wakaniandikia, I think juu nini, kuja kwa, ni captain Mwanza, kwa room za captain. So nienda uko na woga, so sikuelewa what is happening. So but we discussed, akaniambia juu nini nakanga poa, such kind of things, of which it was normal to me. So I was like, in short, what are you trying to tell me? Are you gay? Because I am. He introduced me to his fellows there. We had almost I can talk the people I knew before nitoke huko, it's more than maybe 20 guys I used to know in high school. I can tell someone I'm gay, even if untukana I am, you never change that.